Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can use OBS Virtual Camera with Ome TV. So for that, your first step will be searching up OBS Studio download on your web browser. When you search up OBS Studio download, you'll just click on the first link and this is the website that you'll see. Here you can download it for Windows, you can download it for Mac and others as well. If you're on Windows, you'll just press on this. And right down here you can press on this as well. You can download installer, you can download zip file as well. I'll just download installer. And now the downloading has started and you now need to wait a bit until it completes. Now it has redirected us to the OBS Studio setup. So we'll just go through this real quick. Now here you can choose its destination folder as well. If you want to choose another folder, you can do that. If you want to use the same as this, you can just go ahead and press on install. And now you just need to wait until this completes. Now from here you'll just finish the process, and as you've pressed the tick on this, it will automatically launch your OBS Studio as well. From here you'll just see your usage information. If you want to optimize for streaming, recording is secondary. Optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming and I will only be using the virtual camera. Now in this case you can choose I will be only using the virtual camera, since this video is specific to using the OBS virtual camera. So you can just select this and press on next. If you need it for any other need, you can just press on any of these two. And from here you can see this, you'll just apply settings. Now your OBS virtual camera has been set up. Now we'll have to move to Ome TV, since we'll set up the virtual camera now from there. Now you'll just simply search Ome TV and you'll go on this link right here, which is the cam chat. Just make sure your camera is off before you completely set this, but if you want to turn it on, you can simply just turn it on from here. Allow while visiting the site, allow this time. Now just remember to not start it yet. You can start it when the virtual camera has been enabled and you can set it up properly and allow your cameras or microphone as well. But there's just one last step that we need to do from OBS Virtual Camera. You can see the OBS control panel right here. From here it's giving you an option of start streaming, start recording, start virtual camera, studio mode, settings and exit. Now from here all you need to do is press on start virtual camera. Now after you press on that, you'll go back to Ome TV. And once you're back to Ome TV, when you're back to Ome TV, simply you'll do allow while visiting the site. You'll give access to your camera and microphone, and now your webcam will be working as your OBS virtual camera.